now we are going to go through the logic of our fruits game. So first of all, if we click on the Start Reset button, we are going to check whether we are already playing or not. So if we are already playing, like in this situation, then what we're going to do, we're going to reload the page. If we are not playing, then clicking on the Start button is going to initiate the game. And we're going to need to do a few things. So first of all, we're going to create a random fruit. Also, we will change the button text to Reset Game. And we will show the Trials Left box. Okay, once we create the random fruit, the fruit is going to start going down. So the way it's going to work is we're going to move the fruit down by one step that we're going to define later in the code. So for example, we can move the fruit down 5 pixels, and that's going to be in loop. So we move it down by one step, and then we're going to check, is the fruit too low? If it's not too low, then we are going to keep moving the fruits down. And we're going to check again, is it too low? Until the answer to that question is yes. So in this situation, for example, the fruit is too low, and once it disappears, the answer is going to be yes. So in that case, we're going to check if we have any trials left. So in this situation, we still have 3 trials left, including this one. So if we miss the fruits, then we are going to lose 1 trial, and we will need to remove 1 heart and create a new random fruit. And then we are going to go through this again. And we will continue like this until we have no trials left. If we slice the fruits, then we will just play sound and explode the fruits and increase our score by 1. So we're going to continue like this until there are no trials left. So if we miss this one, then it's going to be game over. So now we understood the logic of the game, and we are ready to translate this into jQuery code structure.